Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add hidden wireless charging to virtually any desk or surface with the new InvisQi wireless charger. And today I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys, showing you how to set it up, and seeing if it's worth it or not. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's go ahead and unbox this wireless charger. First thing you get in the box is this cool marker pad right here that has their company QR code on it. Next you get the wireless charger itself. Next, you get the mounting piece for it. Here's a quick look around of it. And next, you get this box of goodies, and inside you get the instruction manual, a testing piece for the wireless charger, adhesive pieces, and screws for the mount. And in this last box, you get the power brick. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up on your surface. Once you find the surface you want to use, what you want to go ahead and do is make sure it's not any more than 2 inches thick. Any more than that, for me, it just didn't work. Also, you need to make sure that it's not metal, but I'll talk about that a little later in the video. So now you just want to go ahead and grab the mounting piece, and then just go ahead and find where you want to put this wireless charger. Now you want to go ahead and grab your adhesive strips, and you just want to go ahead and peel them, and then place them on the mount. Make sure you leave one side covered, just to keep it mess free. Once you peel the other adhesive pieces and put them on, you can take the other side of the adhesive off, and then just go ahead and mount the mounting piece, and then you can go ahead and slide the wireless charger in. Now you just want to go ahead and find the closest outlet and then plug it into the back of the wireless charger. Now you can get down your pad and then put the tester on it, and now what you want to go ahead and do is go over until you get the LED lighting up in the middle, because that will be exactly in the middle of the wireless charger. Now you can put your phone on and you'll be all ready to go. So now that I've showed you how to set it up, let's talk about some of the features and how well this charger did with the time I've used it. First, you might be wondering what surfaces it can work on. It can actually work on all surfaces. The only surface it can't work on is metal, which is understandable. Also, you want to make sure the desk you're using is not any more than 2 inches thick. If it's any more than that, you'll really start to have some connection issues. Personally, 1.5 inches is pretty good. I also like how if you don't want it to be permanent, it doesn't have to be. Since it's got the adhesive, you can just throw it on and you're all ready to go. And it's a very secure fit. But you can also use the nails that came with it. Maybe if you're on a surface that doesn't really stick well, or something along those lines. But really, those screws aren't really a permanent situation compared to a lot of the invisible chargers that are out there. This you just slap right under and you'll be all ready to go. As far as charging speed goes, it just goes normally as fast as any other charger. So there's nothing really special about it. But if you do want a faster charging time, the thinner your surface is, the faster it will charge. Obviously, you don't want it to be like paper thin. So like I said, an inch is probably good enough. Sorry for interrupting the video, but I found out that you can charge your AirPods with this wireless charger. Just thought I should mention that if any of you guys were wondering. But anyways, back to the video. So my experience with it has been really good. I think my only gripe with it is if you're not using that pad, it's really hard to find where your invisible charging is. Plus the pad's kind of ugly and it slides around quite a bit. So if you can, I would try to find like a sticker or something that looks kind of good to be able to mark where your charger is. It will help you a lot. Also, the only other gripe I have is this solution is pretty expensive. It will run you around $100 to $130. Whoops, sorry guys, I was wrong. It's actually on sale right now for $100. So if you want to get it, go in the description down below and pick it up for yourself. But if you're looking for a solution where you don't have to tear your desk open, then this is a quality solution. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it helped you out, make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.